Hi, I'm Jay from Family Handyman. I'm here to talk to you about some photos sent to us by some home inspectors that are truly nightmarish. Let's get started. All right, whoever goes up this ladder has more courage than brains. Nick Wallenda wouldn't even try it. Might be a good idea to rent a lift. Wow, not only is this chimney badly deteriorated, it's pretty much missing all the clay or metal liner. This is a poster child as to why you need to have your chimney cleaned. You know, it's not a bad idea to have a switch for your sink disposal, but let's put it in some place where we can reach it clearly and not die when we reach for it. You know, smoke alarm placement is super important. Try to not use yours as a doorstop. Here's a quick way to add some humidity to a dry room. Just run your downspout to your return air vent. Or better yet, let's install ductwork the correct way. Modern art and dryer vents, two things that should never happen together. I mean, what's going on here? First of all, don't ever use vinyl for your dryer vent, and simple 90-degree elbows will get the job done. Look, if red-green doesn't do it, neither should you. Installing new plumbing under your sink usually does not call for duct tape. Duct tape again. This tile was undoubtedly installed over green board and not cement board, and it's completely falling apart. Time to try again. Well, a Chevy hubcap is one way to keep rain out of your furnace, but you know, they actually sell chimney caps at your home center, so you might want to do that. Now, I don't care what anybody says. Clothes hanger and electrical cable is not the way to hang a ceiling fan. They actually sell ceiling fan brackets at the home stores that makes installation easy and safe. Those are just a few of our favorite home inspection nightmare photos. Look for more of these at familyhandyman.com.